Hola, it's me again. So right now I want to show you the trick how to approach this kind of question. So in previous video I have shown you the most I think the long way of solving this kind of question. Actually I have a trick for this and I have the shortcut simply. But what I've shown you in the previous video actually the general approach or the universal way how to solve the linear equation in any variables, or how much variable you can solve using that kind of a universal method or approach. So what I want to show you is right now in this video is the trick or the shortcut way to approach this kind of question. So this approach is not so universal for different or distinct problem. It can be used for specific problem like this. And how to detect whether you can use the trick or not is simply by using the simple observation. Okay, you need to observe first, okay, using the mathematical observation from these three different equations, and then you can simplify it to be the simplest in the simplest form. Observe that, so OBS stands for observe that equation 2 and 3, let's see, equation 2 and 3, you can see the similarity. So basically observation is dealing with the similarity and also the difference between kind of stuff in mathematics like equation. So we can detect the similarity between equation 2 and 3, or the relationship. So you can see we have here the term which is 2x minus y and 2x minus y. Okay, maybe we can make 2x minus y as a subject of formula. So let's try that from equation 2. So 2x minus y is equivalent to 1 minus 4z, isn't it? Right? And then from equation 3, 2x minus y equivalent to 4z, because 0 plus 4z is just 4z. And then we know that, okay, I write here, we know this is equation 2 prime and 3 prime. Okay, so we know equation 2 prime is equivalent to equation 3 prime. Why? Because on the left hand side we have 2x minus y, and for equation 3 prime we have 2x minus y. So this is basically the same. So we can conclude that 1 minus 4z must be equivalent to 4z. Okay, this guy is equivalent to this guy because we argue that these are the same, they are similar. Okay, so we can simplify, we can bring to the right hand side, or simply we can add both sides for z. So we can add both sides for z, so we have what, 1 equivalent to add z, so z equivalent to 1 over 8. Okay, and then what's next? And then we can substitute into, I think I want to substitute into equation 1 and equation 2. So, and then I substitute this z 1 over 8 into equation 1 to here and into there. So basically we just left with the variable x and y, and then we just make, as I already elaborate in my previous video. Okay, we make, for example, x as a subject and substitute into equation 2, and we will get the value of basically the value of y. Okay, but I don't want to talk about that because I already mentioned in my previous video. My intention of this video actually to show you the trick in math by using the simple observation, and things you need to know that this kind of method is not work for all kind of problem in linear equation, in 2 variable or 3 variable, or any variables. It works in certain situation or in specific problem. So by simple observation we can solve this kind of problem very easy. And so I think that's all for me, and thank you.